Hello, my name is Thomas, and this is our project NeuralHook, and this is our project submissions made in collaboration with my teammate John Howie for the hackathon EthGlobal Open Agents 2026. And our software is called AI-powered dynamic fee engine for Uniswap V4. So basically, we are approaching a problem that is that fees do not respond to the risk associated with every time that a LP deposit funds into a liquid pool. So the static fees in a dynamic market, while we are using Uniswap for this solution and draining the LP pools before the fees can compensate it, we have arbitrary drain of your pools. When the prices spike, our boots trades against LPs before the pool price updates, and this will generate a loss comparing to hold the funds. Basically, we have a passive income isn't passive, and the DeFi funds, yield providers, retail LPs. So we develop NeuralHook. This is a LP shield that activates using a 4-layer architecture, and basically we are using a Uniswap V4 hook. Basically, it helps to detect volatility. The AI reads the pool data and trick proximity and classify the risk in these categories and adjust the fees on chain. So basically, why the AI do not hallucinate? Well, we are using OG cell hardware enclave, so every single agent is running on OG, and we're using ECDSA on-chain verification. So basically, we are relying on cryptographic proof rather than only an AI model. And we have the 4 layers in one unified system. Each layer depends of each other. We have the explanation here. I'm going to explain that more in detail with this diagram. We have the data sources that jumps directly through the OGTA agents. We have 3 agents running simultaneously, and we have the conditions that requires quorum of 2 of those agents to generate the transaction. And basically, we have HTTP gossip protocol provided by AXL by agencies, and the Keeper Hub generates the simulation of the transaction via it call, and that is then provided to the contract NeuralHook that is deployed on Sepulveda Unichain network. And if we get founded, here's what's next: the mainnet deployment to the Ethereum mainnet, and we have multiple expansions, permissionless insurance, and where any LP can deposit, open software in inference, release the AI risk, can improve our software based on predictions. And last but not least, we have the LP risk tolerance UI, where we have the interface for LPs to provide a way to choose between the risk thresholds based on preferences. And we have deployed the GitHub. We are gonna go to with a live demo. So we have the software up running. We have already connected our MetaMask wallet, and we have this dashboard. We can see the hour, that is 3:40 p.m. and the last cryptographic proof was generated at 3:39. We have the Keeper Hub audit trail that basically every single consensus result is gonna be displayed here, thanks to the trust architecture. And we have the other options, the pool prices, the active fee, etc., etc. That's on the dashboard option. And how it works, we have the explanation and more technical details here on how to run it locally. You can find it in GitHub. Let's get back to the dashboard, and we have the consensus fees. You can see the risk, and we have the trust architecture, basically how everything interacts